can look at it.
There you go. Keep going, it's okay. Keep going. Keep going, Sal. Get out of her way, honey. You got it, Peg. Keep pedaling. Pedal strong.
First time riding a bicycle.
Woohoo!
Not first time?
Almost. Yes, it is. It's the first time.
Without training wheels.
First time without training wheels. That's a big deal.
And that's easy. I thought it was really hard. At 5 you don't really know, but at 6 you do. Really quickly. Or you, it's easy to say.
Sorry. That was pretty good, though. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
A high five. Woo!
Do I know?
You know how to ride a bicycle. I told you so. Right?
Well, at the park it's really easy.
I know. But now that you know how to do it, I bet it's going to be easy on the sidewalk, too.
So shall we go home?
I don't know. Do you want to go home?
And she'll try to ride her bike all the way home?
I don't know. We'll see. All right. You ready to try again?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.